What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme. Gravel pit session again with the Traxxas XRT with a lot of goodies. Man, compared to the Traxxas sledge with the M2C conversion kit, jackhammer, this feels like a bus or a bus stop. You know, but it's fun to drive. Is so I need to go over this but I love to drive this car too. So extreme, but it's easy to drive. See if we can go over here and do something similar to the smaller brother. I'm still using stock servo, but with the M2C support, the bracket. Running, let's see here, 46, 32 I think, or 30. I mean, it takes what do you say, football field to the summit. Ah! That's a little bit. Oh, we made it. That wasn't my intention to do that, but Okay, that doesn't sound good. Or? Aha, it's shuddering. It's I don't know why. The gearing is... Something is bent, that's for sure. Or could we possibly well, I'm not going to continue, that's for sure. I'm not going to destroy it. Might have lost the teeth on this one, I'm not sure. Yeah. Anyway, fun car, breakdown soon, stay tuned. So, quick breakdown on the Traxxas XRT. At the end we heard some clicking noise, need to open up this and see how that gear is looking. Max 5, the 56 something, 1100 Thunderous fans used by the 4S lipos, running M2C Racing's, I'm gonna put it like this. The steering, I forgot what it's called. Okay, anyway, they're steering parts, so it will not break down. Motor mount, of course. The chassis brace. The twin center shaft to be able to flex and not bend the one piece center shaft. For the servo I'm using their I would say their support to keep the stock servo in place. It doesn't matter if you break the tabs, it will be hold it in place anyway. More. Yes, they're extended hex. I'm not running their aluminum full 24, but the other version. For outdrives also, outdrive sleeves. Running them on one side and Customrcupgrades on the other side. WFO Customrc parts. The rear hubs in 775 T6 and their front hubs working like a charm. The gearing is 46. Let's see, 46. 32, I think. I heard some cogging issues when you floor it extremely fast, went from standing still. There's no issue when you're running the car or back flipping or leaving the jumps, so I might need to go down on this one. And firmer springs, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, that's it with the car. Extremely pleased with it. Fun car. I do recommend. need some parts to hold up for some extreme bashing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.